Zalukwa Igbo ndị ọma njem ọnụ agụ nwa cartels ka nchaba ụmụ unu afụgo nọ ife kwu ka a na-eme ide play ide show ya bụrụ gọvanọ amụ n'eke o nwere ihe ọzọ anyị ji nọla ebe a na-abụrụ ụmụ nwaanyị Igbo nọ na Germany ndị youth empowerment fakwado si ụmụ ikolobịa na ụmụ agbọghọ wee mee gịnị bulu ngwa ọrụ a ga-eji mụọ ọrụ wee kwado olufe ọrụ so unu n'anya anyị nwere ụmụ nwaanyị ụmụ nwoke achọkwa m ụmụ nwoke afụrọ m o but I actually picked two ndị nke mfu ihe dị iche na nke a na the first one bụ na nwere ya ọzọ na-abụrụ na enwere m ike ịghọtago tinyelu ndị nke ego moto because onwe ndị si fa like ndị si Benue si na-agba 12,000 nsizi ego ole ka ọ ga-eji bịa bulu azina ihe ọbịa ibulu buzi ego ole. So once again, thank you all. Thank you Umu Nwaanyi Igbo nọ na Germany. Thank you onye isi fabụ Eze Nwaanyi Mrs. Nwakego for sponsoring this and we look to grow bigger next time. I believe na ọzọ a ga-eme ga-abụkwa very massive one. And ọ bụ na iwu iniro na nke a ọ bụrụkwa ya nwa bụ na ụwa akwụgo olugo you can apply next time ewelụkwa gị ịghọtago na na dị very sure na ndị nwere bụ ndị merit and onwere onye mma ebe anụnwa nwere ihe niile mee n'ebe anụnwa bụ ndị apply. So you all are welcome. You guys are gonna carry this thing home. So I'll pass the mic.
Good afternoon, everybody. Aha m bụ Onwe Ukamaka Eunice. Abụ m onye Ebonyi State. Mana ebe m bi bụ Benue State. Ihe m na-eme bụ isi ka m na-apa ụmụazị. Biko mgbe m fụ the video, adị m very happy. Njọsị ka m mee the video ka ma ọ ga-work just mee the video. Ka m tete n'ụtụtụ mfụ na echuzugo m ajọmpụcha m jọmpụọ wụnye enu ihe anụnwa bụ my first gift for life since my father and mother born me. That is why I say I from Benue State and I will come here and come and carry this gift. God bless you. Agunwa Cartel.
Good afternoon, Agunwa Cartel. Afam bụ Ngozi ka Blessing Nkocha. Abụ m Imo State mana anọ m n'Enugu State na-Ekeshu. I just applied for this video and I was so happy when I was choosing. I'm very grateful to Umu Nwaanyi Igbo in Germany. I'm so grateful. And to you, Agunwa Cartel, I'm also grateful. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm from Enugu State, mana ebi m na Enugu Ezike. So when for this video, I was like, let me try. Maka abum somebody na-eweta carry gifts like that. So yeah, actually my first gift. When for the thing, mecha apply. Mmadụ bi ebe themselves. Simo na Agunwa post to Pamo na afam there ba. I was so excited. Thank you guys.
My name is Titus Mesilde and my trade name is Last Daughter and I make hair. I'm a hairstylist and a hair tech. I want to say thank you to Agunwa, OO1, Cartel and every other person who supported us in getting these gifts. I say thank you so much.
Good afternoon. My name is Subapis Kosisochuk. I'm from Delta State, but this small Caribbean. Objecta Manguri Nesum Nandi Kuteroke, like Ndi Sona and they choose. I'm so happy. Like I never expected this, even the video myself. I'm just an Agunwa get choose, but I was surprised. Me never na first but online Agunwa mention I have new Nando choose. I'm so happy. God bless Umu Nwaanyi Igbo Germany and Agunwa also. I'm so happy.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Fambo Obuna. Please catch them. I'm a baker, and I don't know. I'm just so speechless because I didn't know that I will even have the opportunity to be here to get this oven. I I've saved most time for this thing, but it's not coming. School bills, everything, and I was just so excited when I saw her message. She said that I should drop my WhatsApp number. I was tensed. So the next morning I was even working and then my auntie called me. I said I've been choosing. Oh, I should just go online and go and send my number. I was like, Jesus Christ. So thank you, everybody that supported me. I'm giving a big shout out to people that tagged Agunwa, my classmates, in fact my customers, everybody. I thank everybody. I thank Umu Nwaanyi Igbo in Germany and also Agunwa 001 for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you so much.
Okay. Hello everybody. My name is Obidugu Chukudera Precious. That is Dera Gold. For those that already know me on TikTok, on Facebook, I want to say a very big thank you to Umu Nwaanyi Igbo Germany. I want to say a very big thank you to Agunwa Cartel. I want to also say a very big thank you to Kegite Club International, those that love me, those that tagged my mother SF Tiger Ile Kwateko Gap Super. Thank you guys so much for believing in me and for trusting God in my life. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Thank you so much.
Hello guys, good afternoon everybody. Afam bụ Chinasa Idoko, abụ m onye Enugu Ezike, mana anọ m n'Ọka. Ihe eji mara m na TikTok na other pages bụ Nasa Empire. Like mgbe m for this thing, amadị m sị ka m try ya because o mee ya adị m atry che. Na try kwa m nke ahụ, na mfu ma ndị nne m other expect and tag everything. Mgbakwa nkịtị. Ya ka olizi ebe m nọ na-arahụ ụra ahụ, phone m na-aring and ọ na-ewechisa m iwe na-arahụ ụra phone na-aring. Mgbe were aka ekpe pike nke nna skebe chara asagba kunite je check TikTok go ozugbo check TikTok ihe ọzọ m fuskere bụ congratulations nne send me your number ya amadị m ọ dị ka ara chọrọ ịpụ m mana ọsọ nọ ya njidekwa onwe m aka o mana nso m nwa ndị Germany thank you agụnwa thank you ka ị mere anyị nka na ọzọ ga na-abịakwara gị
agụnwa Katel na-ekene gị adị m speechless o odogwu amaski ihe oge ekwu hey ana m ekene unu na-ekenekwa ndị nna anyị nọ na Germany ndị o metere n'obi ichetakwa anyị nọ na Nigeria ọ dịrị izi adị m so speechless like ama m ihe m ga-ekwu ihe anụ bụ close 400 kpa ka ebunye m free na ọ dịrị izi awatakwa ya na nkwa amatara ya n'aka akpa so ana m ekene onye ọbụla ma before I proceed n'ikene biko n'otu a na-arọ ọchị m si na mma akwapụtara agụ nwa akwa ọbụgodiri biko can you please open it? Ọ mepee biko please this is shirt this is the shirt and this is the trouser. I've got 1 or 2 videos here on I like trouser na kuseva so I need to like make it so ana make nun kun melmonka I promise that na machine unye mu buka we improve and I know I trust myself when it comes to fashion so thank you so much. I'm like Mark over can see machine because story te kwala aka ma no so why draw. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
The most engaged video. Money.
Ndewo no. Amakwa m ihe m ga-ekwu biko ana m ekene Agụnwa Katel na ụmụ nwaanyị ndị Igbo nọ na Germany na m ekene unu rinne ma ndị niile tagere m akwa my friend my neighbor ebe m bibi ihe kpọrọ m sị m ka m jee na o nwere ihe Agụnwa because akaụntụ m na-eyuzu before nje follow Agụnwa ka disable ọ sị m na o nwere ihe post nje ebe ahụ I was discouraged because enweghị m up to the requirement o make asịkwa ka m tinye ya in case. To my utmost surprise, people supported me. I was so shocked. Adị m shocked. Ana m ekene onye ọbụla asị m ka Chukwu gọzie unu. Agụnwa biko otu isi emere ndị ọzọ Chukwu mere gị. Biko ka Chukwu kwuchi ụmụ nwaanyị ahụ ebe ha shibe ebote. Daalụ rinne.
Ụmụ Igbo ekelekwa m unu.
No one get lawful, the very audacious and confident. See how maybe ya web the phone ya. Oh, we'll look at the link it's in a phone ya. O go see me and say, hey, Mbappe, you found the mado. Na look village. That must no zikaka pia Lucy oh man, no me no go nekya. Web the phone, where chavagi zikaka. Passing biko na mo welia. Amaro mo yobu. What I go so you have my parents see they are my most cherished people on earth. So I had to and plus now all what to put not only because now my parents one all what to put plus I call it na page and our confidence on the name can see me.
Thank you very much.
So the secret
Ụmụ Igbo ekelekwa m unu. Aha m bụ Zikaka Pios, mana ezigbo aha m bụ Ngozi ka Eze. Abụ m onye Enugu steeti, onye Nsụka. Ana m ekelesi Agụnwa ike maka ihe ọma ọ na-emere anyị, ọ bụghị naanị m ka o mere ya. I really thank her for this. I'm very, very grateful. I'm very, very excited. Ana m ekele ụmụ nwaanyị ndị Igbo bi na Germany. Aka m dị n'elu. Ana m ekelesi ha ike maka ihe ọma ha na-emere anyị maka this empowerment ha nyere anyị. Ana m ekelekwa nne na nna agụ nwa. Chukwu ya agọziri m unu. Chukwu gọziere m unu. Ihe ga na-agara unu nke ọma na-ekelesi mmadụ niile ike. Thank you very much. I was so excited mgbe mmadụ kpọrọ m si mụ na azika ka n'afọ ka akpọrọ aha m na the video agụ nwa mere. I was so happy. Like ana m ekelesi unu ike. God will bless you. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Catherine Uzamaka Ifono. The face behind Blend by Eva. And meat pie, tiger nuts, parfait, fruit juices, and banana bread, etc. So when I saw the video on Agunwa's page, I felt the need to make the video, as in, I'm the first one who took, but I made one video, but when I saw the second time, I don't know, something just told me to just make the video. May that night, post to her the next morning before, what the 5-7. So my friends, them helped me tag her, and I'm so grateful to you guys. Thank you too to Umu Nwaanyi Germany. Thank you for remembering home. We are so grateful. When I saw that I won, my friend, meat pie, parfait, pineapple juice, maka. All the corner life here.
Well.
Did they to go to America?
I love hot
Yeah.
a lot.
I got parfait for you. Tiger nut, meat pie, pineapple juice. So that was the extra for you. I'm digging a hand roll. Thank you so much. I've been very, very grateful. This Blend by Eva.
Blend by Ava. You can see how well packaged this is, and that is very, very sure. Very neat and healthy as well. So you have nature chat Blend by Ava. That is so very, very, very thoughtful of her. Thank you so. Oh my Jesus.
I'm the one that is even more grateful. I'm serious. I'm very grateful. Thank you so much. Thank you to everyone that contributed to this. I am so grateful.
So this is pineapple juice.
Thank you, Agunwa. Thank you.
Patronized Blend by Ava.
Good afternoon, everybody. I don't even know how to start. When we speak Igbo, Unama water. I don't save tire. School no save. But I'm grateful. I don't even know how this thing come, all by grace, because when we make up parties, but I got picked. I'm grateful for Agunwa. I'm grateful for everybody that engaged on my video, that make it to the right audience. I'm so grateful. And I'm try my best to train one person free of charge. So far, saying around Oko.
Please, if you want to learn makeup, Glam propose free makeup, free training for one person. So first person to text her, you want a free. For how many months can you get training? 2 months. I believe in my 2 months, you actually learn very, very well.
And also the first 2 people to chat me, I will train them on 30% discount. So thank you for everything.
Okay, training for you free.
Yeah.
Then the first 2 people to chat you, we're gonna be your training.
My 2 months class is 100K.
So 30%.
Then 30% should be around 70K. Yes.
So first people that will text her, she will collect this is very, very fair price. And that is very sure no maka location on Oko. It will be more than that. So grab this opportunity as now. Yes.
Good afternoon, or Afambo Ezimano Chukuka, Ebonyi State. I'm going to a suit. So, one night like that, then my sister texted me, my senior sister, always saying that now, a video forward to my page. We actually share the video. Always saying that now, I can choose inside. So, saying I should try my luck. We see, okay. Then I made a video. Then, 2 TikTok accounts, choices, which is where I create my funny transition my funny transition and videos. Then Chook Street, which is my business page. Then after making the video, something happened to that account, that Chook Street account. So I posted it on TikTok, on Choices, yes, on that Choices account. So Agua commented on my video saying that she would have selected me, but my personal videos is more than my business videos. So again, for this, I was so down, but I told myself that I will not give up. And then I went back and then created another video explaining to her reasons why I did not post it and why I don't have why my business account is not active, and the reason why I posted it in that Choices account. So after everything, even more game post to that one that's already viral. I then told my friends, even my sister, to tag her. So okay, how tag Chakwea. I was expecting her to comment again, but I didn't see any comment. So it kind of, yes, I was discouraged. Then I then posted a video day before yesterday, if I'm not mistaken. Someone commented immediately, then and congrats on your new oven. I was like, new oven? Like where any other place ne expect that oven now bought from Agonwa. So I then rushed to her page, ASAP. Was wow. And then I think it was bought for sewing machine, if I'm not mistaken. Then when she then went for oven, like my heart was like boom, 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 boom. So after she called the first person, I was the second person. I was like, oh more, like God don't run out for me, because Ijo in the Faculty of Allied Health Science na issues like Hamamofuma, whereby they call me the fish by guy, because I only fry like egg roll, buns, and this thing. I do not bake because of my oven, because I don't have an oven. But now I've gotten it. Again, at the comments, you see some of them telling me meat pie and fish pie, sure, this semester. So yes, so a suit, nursing, and I'm under Faculty of Allied Health Science. And then this cake, because I feel use pots we can but meat pie immediate this fish was just like this oven. So after everything, I just used love, like wage rope your my way bake I go want this small cake. Even though that is small, I then bake this small cake for her. So and then I hope that she will just love the cake, because yes, I hope she loves the cake. Yes, in fact, I can't take cake shout. It's so very so this is just it. I'm so grateful. Like, thank you so much. Even my Umu Nwaanyi Igbo on Germany, of my like you people really tried for me. Like, I'm so grateful. Like, thank you so much. And then no, I was going that she should consider me, that she should consider me, child, she should consider me, and she considered me. And then my God will continue to bless you. You meet Iraka Gana Garogen of my now Jesus. Thank you.
One of my favorite color, pink. Thank you so much. Can I have your business name again? Yes, because this na page going so good now. Okay, is it? So if you want cakes and fish pie and meat pie, birthday cakes, you open each celebration, please. Pastries, please. Delumo, Chook Street.
I do cook too.
On the
As I don't get this one, that means
it will push you to.
yeah.
It will push you to. Yeah. Yes. So.
Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Afambo Naman Chamaka. My name is na Facebook. My business name is Ami's Bakery. So, one day, my brother were chat time. Sim no kwe yagun post the first one I me. Sim nanje may apply. I'm not travel since when I've say chego. Ega hana. Nsia social media na ma do kwalo ka man pick kwem. Mechekwe that first one he pick room. So this second one mekwe mgbe for ya bụ 9 minutes to post the video. Nsinje mewe video akita. O we ike o ma fuzi again. Post that first one ahụ mefu. We tag kwa nsi ọ ga-adịkwa as usual na ụlọ ege pick. So mgbe mfuzi ya bụ mgbe fu ya on Wednesday morning. Ọ bụ no pick him. I was so happy because ese vikitego mwe go vunanwa. Nje ije mu wo bro operation ka nji monwe wole ga we adana dite. So na sikwa ka Chineke na gozie agụnwa because ọ dịrị izi mmadụ iwere ego hota wee nye gị wee ngwekwu obi ewefute we ndị a ga-enye ahụ wee were ego ahụ wee dị na si Chineke na gozie ihe ọbụla o tere aka ga na-aga ma ndị nke wetara ego ebe ọbụla ego ahụ shi wee bịa Chineke na ga-atọ chikwa mmaji kwuru mmaji n'aha Jizọs.
Amen. Hey, ejikwa m nne na nwa egwu. Nna eku nwa wee si ebe wee bịaba.
Enugu.
Ịbịa bụrụ ovu.
Ọ sị na m aga na sef ndị were ga-esi mba na ngapụta.
Hey. Hey, yeah, Udo di home. Ngoma egi 20,000. You will be taking my contract. So I don't want to tell tomorrow yours on our bro.
Yes, I didn't bring it because it's not my brand.
Okay, you have again.
They are good.
Okay, you have unke sondito la
Yes.
Okay, on a
I told myself I go have a money and another work and from money. So I decided to get something for you.
My fridge, we got new besties. Wow, this is so massive. Oh. Nne, thank you so much. Oh, I really appreciate. Thank you so much. So that one Igbo ndị ọma njem ọnụ. Nwerekwa otu ọzọ na-abụrụ kindness matters and all of that. Ihe ọ bụla ị na-emejisi ike, ọ bụla ị nwere aka ọrụ mụ aka ọrụ. I like some ndị nwa aka ọrụ n'ụwa ma. Azụrụ ọ na-atọ m, ọ bụla everyday na ọ na-adị emu mmadụ na-ayọ urgent 2K, urgent 5K. Nwa aka ọrụ tinye na social media emeghị niile ọ dị izi. Na unu ma m taa bụ ebe social media. If it's not social media. So in every 100% opportunity to actually do well when there is social media. So choyi gamu akolu kan ko the very diverse akolu rini and all maka it is very consistent ni name and unu one ebe anu biko kwanu unu use oyi ofuma oburu enyi unu ya ime ifela na make iji ku well Jesus. Oh, Chineke nna. Oh. Fuck. Whoa. What the can major club to side. Wow, very chilled juice. Sort of flop. No one I walk in and expect oh. I was planning to double look with you. Can you say yours on them? Thank you so much, my darlings. Thank you. Maybe you on me. And then we scan on Facebook. Yes, I don't know. Wow! Open in Umu Nwaanyi Igbo in Soka, right? Enugu State. Bikonu, can't forget. Okay, business page. Please come. Always ready to train 3 people free. Thank you so much. Oh, the mind to do this. God would actually bless you.
I wanted to bring something, but due to I traveled to the village because my mom called me to come and help her in farm work, so I couldn't bake anything. But out of some nature, Kian gave me to reciprocate this love and everything. So, and see, can me free training to one person that is schooling at Federal College of Education, because I know that Federal College of Education needs user. Institution there. It's been in existence for education, yes. So I'll be doing one free training for one person. Then after the break, I will do cupcake for my customers that tagged you. So, and again, just like this thing is just an encouragement to all the youths. Having an online presence it really matters. And again, being consistent, having hope, and then faith in God. Because the last one, everybody was just so happy when they saw when they saw your message. They were like, "Congratulations, you won!" But then I didn't get it. Ghana page now. Go to her, go and test her. I said that another one will still come and my own will still come, and then it came. So to every youth out there, because I've got most people that needed this, but then I call for the honor their page. Please, let's post our business. Let's be consistent in what we are doing. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much. It's not Federal College of
Education.
How? So on a free training to one person at Federal College of Education, Iyamu Frisky Cakes. Thank you so very much. Be consistent. Oh, social media like all the without social media we can revenge as well. So be consistent, post your When the win. When one get like your presentation, almost man back page and worry info. So actually post your work. You don't know what will happen tomorrow. B&B break.
Yes. Thank you so much, ma. I do not know what to get for you, sincerely, but I know that giving back to your community will mean so much to you. So I've decided to like train 3 people that in Enugu, anywhere in Enugu, and you want to learn braiding. Just come to me free of charge. I'm going to train you. Yes.
Nobody know you like Enugu. Please text her. I call you at very. I call you at the MDMO and Jiwe. Only happy me. See me my dread. I'm from dread. Na page give my home service, ma. Please, 3 people free. Thank you all so much. I want to come here also. Just can you ego moto nu get na check. Please, you push manage me 10,000 each person. Oh. Okay, you. Okay. Lagos. Thank you so much. I really
love you.
appreciate. Oh, I love you too. So, Edukuta was one of the winners of the Youth Empowerment 2026 2.0. Yeah, okay, you can put the offer, right? And he brought me this gift. So, here, Chucky, you can help me what to patronize me. Edukuta, offer number again.
Okay, my phone number is 070
Yeah.
83 65 8241.